In this video, I've distilled 8 years of trading and 6-figure wins down to the clearest and most effective roadmap you could possibly follow. And although it's simple to follow, it will require you to change who you currently are. And this isn't easy, but it is much easier if you follow this process. So let's dive in. Trading success requires mastery of just 2 things: the vehicle, which is your strategy, and the driver, which is your mindset. All right, now, if you're missing either one, you'll end up failing to create long-term success in trading. And that is where the real money's at. So here's exactly how to build both, step by step. First, let's have a quick reality check though. All right, you cannot learn to drive if you don't have a vehicle. So the order of operations matters here, okay? Don't deviate from this flow. I want you to follow it. So phase 1 is mastering the strategy, which is your vehicle. And before you can even pick up a strategy, there is a step 0 that most traders skip that causes them to choose the wrong strategy. So here are the 3 things that you can have to make a conscious decision about before committing on a strategy. First is the market you want to trade in, okay? Are you going to trade in crypto, stocks, commodities, Forex? Which one are you going to choose? All right, second is the instrument. Are you going to use futures, options, spot trading? All right, and then third is the time frame. Are you going to be a scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, long-term investor? All right, now you have to choose what fits your life, your risk tolerance, and your goals first. Once you have that clarity, then you build the strategy. But really put some research and thought into which combination of the above options is going to provide you the environment to thrive in. I've put together a chart that shows the type of person that thrives best in each potential combination. Just use the link in the description to join my free Discord and you'll get direct access to it there. Once you've chosen your trading environment, we get to choose the vehicle to navigate it with. And this is your strategy. Now there are 2 requirements that are mandatory for every strategy that almost everyone I've talked to has actually failed to meet. Requirement 1 is that it must be proven. It needs to be back tested on a large data set. So you've got to aim for 200 to 380 trades back tested or proven profitable by a mentor over a similar sample size. Nobody's strategies are going to be too saturated to use, you guys. You don't need to be a unique snowflake here with your own special strategy that you put together and back tested through wasted time of learning a shit ton of technical analysis in order to do that, okay? There are so many strategies out there that if you do know the environment that you want to play in, then find somebody already playing in it successfully and use their strategy. Okay, it's already proven to work, so just leverage that. Requirement number 2 is that it must be binary. Okay, no guesswork here. If A plus B plus C, happens, you trade. Okay, if not, you don't. This creates the fixed variables required to create consistency and generate measurable metrics. And a quick note here, okay, is that people ask me about risk management. Risk management, you guys, is not a separate phase here, right? Position sizing, max drawdown, that is part of the strategy. It should be built into the rules. So once you have the vehicle, now we get to move on to phase 2. All right, let's call phase 2 the test drive. All right, it's where we create validation of the strategy beyond backtesting. And this is where you need to prove you can drive this car, okay? Without crashing it, without, getting into big of a drawdown, so forth. The action here is simple. You use a paper trading account or a prop firm challenge. The goal is to execute 100 trades minimum, strictly following your system. Now, I already hear the objections, but Shyler, paper trading doesn't feel like real money. The psychology isn't the same. And you're right, it's not. And I don't want it to be the same. Phase 2 isn't about simulating the emotion of live trading. It is about proving to yourself that the strategy works. You need to know with 100% certainty that the math holds up. Why? Because when you move to real money and you start losing, you need to know that you are the problem, not the strategy. If you skip this step, I guarantee that the moment you hit a losing streak with real money, you're going to convince yourself the strategy is broken. You'll jump ship, find a new YouTube strategy, and repeat the cycle until you quit or blow up your account. Okay? So prove the vehicle works first. Then we train and fix the driver, which is your mindset. This brings us to phase 3. Mastering trading psychology. So when you move to live capital, all right, the pressure changes. This is where the driver usually fails, even though we know that the vehicle is perfect. This is where the real work begins because honestly, we've got to develop our self-awareness and emotional discipline. We're literally going to reprogram your mind here. Now, the tool we use here is journaling. Yeah, not very surprising. Most of your journaling, though, is wrong. You've got to stop journaling your P&L. Nobody cares if you made $500 or lost $500 if the process was garbage. All right, you need to journal compliance. Did you follow the system? If yes, then great job, regardless of the outcome. If no, then you have to reflect. Ask yourself, what emotion caused me to veer off? What thought preceded that emotion? And what limiting belief is that thought protecting? This is critical, you guys, okay? Most self-awareness stays at the surface. You might say something like, I keep losing, what am I doing wrong? Right? That's results awareness. Or you say something like, I keep revenge trading because I'm angry. Okay, that's emotional awareness. But that doesn't fix the root issue. All right, so here's the formula to understand this that you need to memorize. Your thoughts produce emotions. From your emotions, you take an action. And from your action comes a result. Now, if you try to stop revenge trading, for example, by just using willpower or brute force, okay, you're honestly just fighting a losing battle. You might stop for a week because the pain of losing money is fresh on your mind. But once that pain fades away, the behavior returns. And the reason for this is because we did not change the thought or the belief that was driving it. We need to journal and get down to the thought level and to spot historical patterns in our subconscious. Now remember, subconscious just means below our awareness. So your results and emotions are just breadcrumbs leading you to those hidden beliefs. I want to leave you with one final concept that explaining why all this is so hard to do is the difference between what's called Newtonian physics and the law of large numbers. We all grew up in a Newtonian world of cause and effect. If I touch a hot stove, the cause, I get burned, which is the effect. And it's 100% reliable. Our brains love this, okay? But in trading, the stove might flash hot and you touch it and you don't get burned. You might even make money on a bad trade because of this. And the market's going to reward that bad behavior sometimes. And other times it's going to punish good behavior. And this is because it's all taking place in a probability-based environment. And because of that, it's incredibly confusing to a brain raised on cause and effect. That is why you cannot focus on winning or losing as your metric for success. You must focus on compliance. All right, so quick recap here. All right, you're going to build the mechanical system first, validate it with data, then use live trading to expose the bugs in your own programming. Treat this like a business, you guys, and not a casino, and you will find your way out of the YouTube purgatory. Now, you've got a choice. You can take this roadmap and spend the next 18 months building your own vehicle and struggling to teach yourself how to drive it alone. That's exactly what I did. It cost me years of time and stress. Or you can cheat time. I've already built the vehicle. It's back tested, it's proven, and it's binary. And I've built an environment where you don't have to drive it alone. All right? If you're ready to stop guessing and start executing, then I'm inviting you to come join me inside of my Discord, where you can find the link down in the description below. All right? This isn't just another chat room. It's an implementation environment where you get personalized coaching to diagnose your blind spots, real-time feedback on your trade execution, and the accountability that you need to actually stick to the rules. So if you want the keys to a proven system and a mentor in the passenger seat ensuring that you don't crash, then click the link down in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in there. Much love, family.